In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Colorado key fob. Now, some of you out there might have a device that looks like this, but it just has 3 buttons, or it can have 4 buttons. There's also a version that has silver sides instead of these black sides. You can no matter which version you have, you can just follow along with this video. There are just different layouts of the same device, and they all use the same battery. So just follow along, and I promise you'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only thing you will need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online, and I will leave a link down in the description that will take you over to Amazon, where you can get this particular battery for just a few dollars. So go check that out, and then we can just get right into it. So you can flip your key over to the back, and right where the key ring will attach, there is a little opening right here. Okay, we're going to use our flathead screwdriver to get in there and pop off this back section of plastic. Now, the easiest way to do that is just to insert your flathead screwdriver in there and give a little twist, and it will pop off on one side, and then you're going to go ahead and twist the other direction. Twist the other direction, and now this other little part that latches on will snap off, and now we have access to the battery. So the first time you do this, your battery is going to be in there very tight. Mine is kind of falling out because there's a little piece of plastic that broke off, but it's going to be like this. And what you want to do is just insert your flathead screwdriver in on the side of the battery and push down and pry the battery out, and it will pop out. And then you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, and make sure your new battery, again, is a 2032 battery. When you're putting it in, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign and the text goes face up, and you'll just slide it into place. And now we can just click this back section of plastic right back on there. So go ahead and push it down on one side and then just click it on the bottom. And with that, we are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back to this channel where we have videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.